Right Reverend Barnabas Tibijukor, Bishop wa West Rensol Diocese n'uwayebembera omukolo ogu.
Okulagisanya kubanga wamazima mukunda omukama waato gukumisirija nakukalaga hamwe nimukulagulanya obuyingira bwabwama
nkusobola na mukama Ruhanga anali muyambi wange.
Enkondo eni yobona abantu omulina lyesetwe nali amwana nali amoyakiriye.
Ogu bwanyuma bamutwiraho ishenjero bamuhereza izina rya Nabantu kandi atire neverahiro.
I swear that I will maintain and preserve inviolably the tradition, custom, values and practices of the Nabantu of Bwingyabwabwamba.
So omukyalo ono n'abantu mama waffe agenda kutuyamba okulaba nti abawala bajja kusoma basigale mu masukulu n'obulenzi obubadde buwasanga tebunaba kwetuuka nabwo abogerere.
Charles Bukantwa or Prime Minister w'Obudingia nagira ngo kwija kwa Nabantu njija kuhera chango na mnongo kukora umwuga gwa mama w'Obudingia.
There has been a gap in the kingdom because we didn't have a mother, but today we have got a mother. She's going to play the roles of a mother. She's going to organize all the ladies.
Omukugamba kwe omugabekazi Mbabazi betaraganise kore kiri kubasika okurwanira obugabe bw'abana.
Committed to advocate for the welfare of our children, to economic empowerment of women and respect of men in our families. As the Queen Consort of Bwingyabwabwamba, I will fight for the children's rights.
Yenjojo yabwamba omukugamba kwatsimira abo bona bahikira ha mukorogo kandi yajarango n'abantu kwija omu Budingia kitireho ekyafayo ky'omutano.
Mwiro ya kama bona olemonsi
asi abageni mbero kambwa kwa wakwendani kabageni ekipande kiko kusana naga yensangira kangari wako
Amakoraga gashakwa Jonan Tsingwire.